Add video and text layer. Next, duplicate the video. Next, apply the brightness and contrast effect to the duplicate video. Increase the brightness and contrast. Next, apply CC threshold and increase the threshold. You can use CC threshold RGB also. Disable the threshold effect. Apply CC threshold RGB. Change the red, green, blue values until get the satisfied result. Then apply CC threshold effect. Next, duplicate the original video once again. Set matte to Luma inverted matte. Next, add a solid layer to check the result. Next, change text layer to 3D layer. Next, add position keyframes to the text layer. Next, change the animation path.